In this video, you'll learn how to get money off eBay utilizing various discounts and promotions. This guide explains the steps to find and apply these offers effectively to maximize your savings during your purchases. Begin by searching for eBay coupons, promo codes, and daily deals. A helpful approach is to subscribe to eBay newsletters and enable notifications. This way, you will receive timely updates regarding available discounts. Before applying any offers, make sure to check the eligibility requirements associated with each one. Using legitimate sources for these discounts ensures they are applied correctly, which is essential for maximizing your savings. Next, when you're ready to make a purchase, apply the promo code at checkout or select the discount option provided on the listing page. It is crucial to verify that the displayed price reflects the reduction before you proceed to complete the payment. Additionally, ensure that the promo code you are using is still valid and has not expired. Accurate application of these codes prevents any payment errors, ultimately enhancing your purchasing efficiency. After you have completed the payment, monitor your transaction confirmation to ensure that the discount was applied correctly. It is advisable to keep records of the promo codes you've used along with their specific terms. This practice not only helps you track your savings, but also allows you to refer back to the details if needed. Regular checking for new offers is beneficial in maximizing your future savings on eBay. Consider combining discounts with shipping deals whenever possible. Many sellers offer reduced shipping rates or free shipping options, which can significantly enhance your savings. Proper management of these various discounts ensures that you consistently receive the best price on your eBay purchases. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.